Today we're going to be learning about how you can convert fractions to decimals to percents.
I thought this was social studies.
Alright. Anyway, the easiest way, no matter what you're doing, is to divide your divide your fractions. For example, to find out what 1/2 is, you divide the numerator by the denominator. So, who wants to come up and do that for me? Okay, Ricky.
There we go. Okay, well, 2 doesn't go into 1, so we add a decimal. And I bring up the decimal and add a 0, and 2 goes into 10. 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10, so it's 0.5.
Alrighty, that's right. So, that's how you can do that. That's probably the easiest way, no matter what, just to divide, because you can do that with any fraction. Alright, so the next thing you can do is you can do, we can memorize our base fractions. All of these are our base fractions, so you should be able to memorize those. So one way we can do that, it's like, what if you have 3/4 instead of 1/4? You can multiply 1/4 by 3, so that means you can multiply the decimal of 1/4 by 3. So it would be 0.25 times 3 in order to find 3/4. So let's do that. Alrighty, I think I'll choose alrighty, that is correct.
Mrs. Barnett,
Yes.
I have a question. Well, 1/2 is 0.5, but what if you're dealing with money?
If you're dealing with money, you can always, since you know it's out of, for example, we'll use 1/2. Since you always know that it's out of 100 cents, 0.5 is out of 10, so since you just add an extra 0, so it always has 2 places. And that's how you can do that. Another easy way is some decimals have a pattern. For example, we'll go with the easiest one, 1/9. That always equals a repeating numerator. It's repeating numerator. So if you have 8/9, it equals 0.8 on forever. So that's how we can do that. And so now we know how to do that, we can move on to percents. Alrighty, so now that we know how to do fractions to decimals, we can do the easiest way is decimals to percents. The easiest way is, you know, the 1 equals 100%. So you always use that. So since we always just move the decimal over twice, and that works for all of these.
So you're like just multiplying by 100?
Yes. And then percent. So that's how you do it.